I'm gonna show you what I do to put my face on. I'm a busy mom and I don't have a lot of time in the morning to get ready, but most of the days I like to put my face on and wear makeup, but I don't like to wear so much makeup if I don't need to, especially because I have a toddler at home and I don't want to smush all my makeup on his clothes when I hug him and snuggle with him. This is a very simple, basic makeup tutorial for the busy mom. If you're a busy mom like me and want to know how I put my makeup on in the morning, keep watching. I already have my face prepped. It already has the moisturizers and a CC cream that I use. If you haven't watched my video of my morning skincare routine, I'll link it right here and down below so you can learn how I do it. It's really simple. So I already did that and I already have my moisturizer and sunscreen and all that on, and my lip balm, which is very important. And now I can start. I'll start with my Clinique foundation. So I can't find my beauty blender today, but sometimes I like to use my fingers, sometimes the beauty blender if it's more elaborate, and a lot of the days I like to use a blending brush. So I'm just gonna do this. And then I'm gonna use my brush to blend all in. It's really quick. I spend more time with a beauty blender, but that also is if I need to be more put together, but this brush does a great job. I used to have other brushes for foundations, but they left my foundation very streaky and I don't like that. And again, I need something quick but allows me to look put together and good in the morning. That's it. Again, a lot of the times I just use my fingers, and I only use these two fingers to do it because I don't want to use my whole hand because that's a waste of product, and also otherwise you scratch your face and you get wrinkles. After that, I'm gonna put my concealer on because #momlife and sometimes tired as a mom. So I'm just gonna put it there, and in my difficult areas I have been dealing with hormonal acne. So before using my brush, I always like to do this under my eye so it gets really in there where it's really dark. Okay, and now I'll start. It's amazing what a little concealer can do. Alright, now I am going to use my HD powder, or you can use any powder that you have. I just don't like my face to shine. I've done this all my life. Sometimes women are afraid of loose powder, but it's just a regular brush, big brush, nothing difficult. This one is from e.l.f., so you can find it at your drugstore. You can use any loose powder. Loose powders are just amazing. And it doesn't get your skin dry, which is a bummer. That's it. Now we're gonna do a little bit of contouring with this Wet n Wild bronzer. And this is my contouring brush. This one I got from Sephora years ago. Right there. You want to go into your hairline a little bit, and I'll use this too to prime my color of the eyelid, and just a tiny bit here and right here, just a little bit. So it's basically like doing a 3, like 1, like this. You see? Like that. Now we're gonna put on some blush. I'm using a little one from Bobbi Brown. This is my first makeup video and I am not a makeup artist or anything like that. I'm not even a makeup enthusiast. I am just someone that likes to look good. Not into fashion a lot either. I just like to look nice without having to spend an hour putting my face on. And I'll just use a little highlight powder over here, just here. Now for the eyes, I am going to use this palette. You can use whatever you have in your house. Just make sure one is a light color and the other one is a darker color. So I'm gonna be using this color for my lower eyelid. This is a brush from the Body Shop. It's unbelievable because it has this part and this part, and I love it. That's all you need. That's all you need for a basic makeup. Okay, and now I'm gonna use here a darker color. Now my eyes are very droopy, so I need to pull on them. Don't freak out. So what you want to do is you put your brush here on the corner of your eye and then move it in circles like this. All right, and then towards your inner part of your eye like this. So circles and then look. I'm just gonna do it. Now with the brush from the HD powder, just make sure you don't have any left under your eye, because otherwise it's gonna look dirty. So one more thing for the eyeshadows, just pick a dark color and dab this there and just dab it under your eye like this to give it a little effect there instead of using a pencil. I never thought that making makeup videos was gonna be so much fun. Like, I'm having fun doing this, seriously. But this is exactly what I would tell any friend of mine that would say, like, how do you put your face in the morning? If you do, then this is what I do. Okay, so my eyes are almost ready. I'm gonna be using a pencil for eyeliner. Start at the outer side of your eye and then in, as close as you can from that eyelash line. And I just do this so it doesn't look so sharp. It's coming along. One tip is to have a little towel next to you so you can keep cleaning your fingers and don't get colors all over your face. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. This is what I do in order to know where to start, because I always need help with that. I'm using a pencil from Dior. This is one of the few items that are not so inexpensive in my makeup collection. See the difference? You stroke up. So now I'll grab this part of my pencil, which is a spoolie brush. And then you brush them and all that blends in. Remember, your fingers are some of the best brushes you can ever have. Now I'm gonna be using my mascara. This is one by Stay Lauder, but you can use whatever you have. And once I am done with the one on top, with what's left in the spoolie, I'll go ahead and brush a little bit there, just a little bit. Now grab any highlighter you have or a very like sparkly eyeshadow and just dab there. This is a very quick tip and it makes a big difference in your eye. And now for the final part. I'm gonna be wearing some lipstick. This one is from Clinique and a friend of mine just gave me this one as a gift and I am loving it. A tip that I once learned is like you make a cross here and then dab a little bit there and that will be like your guidelines. Remember that I told you that I had my lip balm on before starting, and that allows the lips to be very nice and hydrated before you put your lipstick on. That's it. That's it. What do you think? Yeah? How does it look? I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more tips like this, and I hope this video helped you to be more motivated in the morning to put your face on. See you in the next one. Bye.